Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is lesson 574. Title of today's lesson is the difference between take in and take part in. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot, do it right now. Let's get right to it. Yeah, students often ask what's the difference between these two. They do sound very, very similar. Actually, take in has a lot of meanings. I did a YouTube video on it several years ago, and I covered 10 different meanings and uses of just take in that video. But today I'll only review two of them that kind of cross over with take part in, so you can clearly see the difference between the two. Okay, good. So let's get right into it. So take in is more passive. One is observing something and taking in knowledge or feelings from the atmosphere. So a lot of times we say take in, that's what you should be thinking of. All right, we got two meanings that I'll cover. To absorb and comprehend some information. So here's our first example. I know I have given you a lot of new information. I hope you are able to take it in. So in this case, again, it's more passive. You're trying to absorb the information, trying to understand the information. All right, let's look at the second one here. To view and study something or go to something involving viewing. Okay, good. Let's take in a ball game tonight. Okay, so really you're just taking in, you're viewing it, you're enjoying it, you're enjoying the atmosphere of the ball game. You're not actually taking part in it because you're not one of the players on the field. You're not participating in the game, but you are taking in the game because you're viewing it, you're enjoying it. All right, second one here. I had nothing else to do, so I went to the theater to take in a movie. Yeah, we often say take in a movie. That's one where you're definitely viewing it. You're not really participating in the movie. You can't participate in the movie. It's not even possible. With a ball game, maybe you could run on the field and somehow force yourself into it. But in a movie, you cannot take part in the movie unless you're one of the actors or you had something to do with making that movie. All right, so let's go on. Let's go up to the lookout area to take in the view. All right, here, you're observing the view. You're feeling the atmosphere of the beauty of the place, so you are taking it in. You are absorbing it. But you're not taking... Are you taking part in the view? Well, maybe if somebody else is taking a photo of you, you could actually be participating. I guess if you were a model, maybe in a sense you might be. But really here, you mean that you just went there to see it. So you're just taking in the view. You're not taking part in the view. You're looking at it. You're observing it. You're enjoying it. All right, now let's get to the next one. To take part in. So take part in is more active. It means you're participating in it. You're actually doing something. So take part in is more active. It usually involves participating in something, being part of it. All right, so let's look at review some examples. He took part in the production of the play by being a stagehand. Now, in this case, he's not an actor, but he did set up the stage, so he is actually participating in. He is physically doing something to help the production of that. So he participated in. He took part in it. Okay, let's look at the next one. I don't want to take part in your evil plan. I am not doing that for you. So obviously this person asked them to do something. So they asked them to participate, to physically probably do something. So and he says he's not doing that. So he refused to participate. All right, let's look at the third one. She went to karaoke with us, but she did not take part in the singing. All right, this one's kind of interesting because she went there, so she might take in everybody else singing, but she's not really taking part in it because she is not singing herself. So that's the way we would say it. But she did not take part in the singing. So maybe she didn't have a good voice. Maybe she just didn't want to sing. So she did not take part in that. But she was there. She was viewing it. So in a way, you could almost say that she was taking in the event in that sort of sense. All right, and it's just like, if you went to a concert, you're watching them perform. So really, you're more taking it in. You're enjoying the atmosphere. Only if you were pulled out of the audience and pulled up on stage, would you somehow then, at that point, be participating in it? All right, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it's clear. I hope you can now clearly see the difference between take in and take part in. Okay, thank you for your time. Bye-bye.